When we first saw pictures of we weren't immediately thrilled. One of the brand's more conservative designs looked to have received a lukewarm makeover to the styling it has worn since. Arrived as a 2012 model. Yes, the A6's flowing lines are popular with customers, but to our eyes they always lack tension, falling just short of Audi's standards. There was little elegance in the details. Its LED headlights were somewhat crude. The overbite of the taillights downright strange. Audi has cleaned up these details, added rectangular exhaust outlets, and left the rest alone. Now, having seen the revised car in person, we are pleasantly surprised. The inner workings of the headlights are subtly handsome. The lower front air intakes look better resolved, and the taillights are more tidily integrated. Audi also added several new, more appealing wheel styles. Without touching the sheet metal, the designers made a somewhat stale shape more elegant. More importantly, this midterm update goes deeper, improving one of our favorite sedans. It has notched and two recent in significant ways. Our first drive in Germany showed that, dynamically, the A6 remains much as it was. A finely hewn road machine that can reward a driver on his favorite back lanes or carry company out for a night on the town in style and comfort. It has the powertrain upgrades that raise the car's game to match the crisper appearance. As before, the A6 will offer 3 engine choices in the United States: a 2.0-liter turbo 4-banger, a 3.0-liter V6 TDI, and a 3.0-liter supercharged V6. The TDI is the only one that carries over unchanged. The 240 HP oil burner continues to drive all wheels through an 8-speed torque converter-style automatic, with its robust 428 pounds-feet.